Hey everyone, welcome back to Larry Asaria's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss about direct and inverse variation. Hope you guys learn a lot from this video.
Direct and inverse variation. In mathematics, variation refers to the relationship between two quantities where one quantity changes in response to the other. There are two primary types of variation:
direct variation and inverse variation. These concepts are crucial in fields such as algebra, physics, economics, and many other disciplines.
Two variables, x and y, are said to vary directly in an increase in x. X lead to the proportional increase in y, and a decrease in x result in a proportional decrease in y.
Direct variation. The relationship between the variable is expressed as y equals kx, where k is the constant of the proportionality which determines how strongly the two variables are related. Key points. Bullet 1. If x increases, y increases, and vice versa. Bullet 2. The constant k is a positive. Bullet 3. The graph of a direct variation equation is a straight line, passing through the origin 0, 0. If a car travels at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour, the distance y traveled varies directly with time x. The equation can be written as y equals 60x. Here, the constant k is 60, representing the number of miles traveled per hour.
Inverse variation. Two variables x and y vary inversely if an increase in x results in a proportional decrease in y, and a decrease in x results in a proportional increase in y.
Inverse variation. The relationship between the variables is expressed as y equals k over x or y equals k over x, where k is a constant of a variation. Key points. Bullet 1. If x increases, y decreases, and vice versa. Bullet 2. The constant k is positive or negative, depending on the specific relationship. Bullet 3. The graph of an inverse variation equation is a hyperbola. Example, if the time taken to complete a task varies inversely with the number of workers, the relationship between time, t, and workers, w, might be expressed as t equals 100 over w. Here, k equals 100, meaning that if 10 workers are added, the time taken to complete the task will decrease proportionally. Solving problems with direct and inverse variation. Direct variation problem. Given that y varies directly with x and when x is equals to 5, y equals 15, find y when x is equals to 8. Write the direct variation equation. Y equals kx.
Number 2. Use the given values to find y equals kx turning into 15 equals k5. 15 equals k5. Ang i-over natin is yung value ng x, which is yung value ng x is 5. So, 5 divide 5 cancel. 15 divide 5 is 3. So, ang k natin is 3. Number 3. Now, use the value of k to find y when x equals to 8. Y equals kx turning into y equals 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So, our y is 24.
Inverse variation problem. Given that y varies inversely with x and when y is equals to 10, x is equals to 4, find y when x is equals to 6. Write the inverse variation equation. Y is equals to k over x or y is equals to k over x.
Number 2. Use the given values to find k. Y is equals to k over x. Substitute 10 is equals to k over 4. Magkakaroon talaga ng number 1 doon para makross multiply. So, 1 times k is equals to k. 10 times 4 is equals to 40. So, our k is 40. Number 3. Now, use the value of k to find y when x is equals to 6. y is equals to k over x, turning into y is equals to 40 over 6. 40 divided 6 is equals to 6.6. So our y is equals to 6.6.
Conclusion: understanding direct and inverse variation is essential for analyzing how change in one quantity affect another, whether it's calculating distances, determining time, or solving real-world problems. These concepts are invaluable tools in mathematics and everyday life.
That's all for our lesson today. Hope you guys learned something. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates in our upcoming videos. Bye!